Hey guys, real quick before we get started, click the subscribe button to stay updated with the Lightroom tutorials we're going to be adding to this channel. Alright everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop and straighten in Lightroom. So you're going to come to the Develop module and you're going to click on the cropping tool. When you click on this, you're going to see the crop outline of your picture. And what you can do is just click on that crop outline. You're going to hold your left mouse down and kind of come in and out. See how I'm doing that? So I'm going to crop this in just a little bit to see a little bit less of the sky and more of the family. So I'm going to crop in a little bit. And then when I come down, I can drag that image exactly to where I'd like it to be. I can have them over to the right or to the left or more in the center, which is ideally where I'd want them to be. So then you can click lock on that to kind of hold that there. That's an idea. I'm going to click unlock because I want to show you a little bit about angle as well. So the next thing we're going to talk about is how to know the photo is straight. So on my angle, this one was actually shot straight, which is surprising, but let's say I didn't shoot it straight and it was just a little crooked, but I want to straighten that up. If I hit 0, that's going to bring that exactly, it almost always works, that's going to straighten that image up for me. So keep in mind, whenever you're in the Develop module, any cropping that you do here, it is not destructive to your photo. You can always come back and you can always change your cropping more or less, however you'd like it. So I've cropped this picture exactly to where I'd like to present it. I'm just going to click the close button now, and that is my cropped version of this photo.